Hi everyone, I am Abdul from AM Graphix. Today in this video, I will show you how to make short pants mockup in Photoshop. So let's get started. First, make a selection of the short pants. After make a perfect selection, press Ctrl J to duplicate the layer. Now import the design. So go to File, Place Embedded and select the design and place. And now transform it to the short pant size. After that, create a clipping mask and change that blend mode to multiply. Now go to blending options. Break the slider by holding Alt and drag with click and move to the left side. And hit OK. Short pants mockup is ready. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you found this trick helpful.